To implement the quality control elements into the system, you begin by double-tapping on the Curves screen to open the Curves window. When you operate the press, a force distance curve will appear on the Curves screen. Go to the Force Stroke tab to make sure you are viewing the force distance curve. It is on this screen where you will create your different tolerance types for each data set. To create a stroke tolerance, tap on the stroke tolerance icon. Using your finger, tap the left force distance location of the tolerance. Then tap the right force distance location of the tolerance. When this is done, you will see the stroke tolerance created, and the tolerance edit window will automatically open, allowing you to more clearly define the parameters of your stroke tolerance and dial in the specifications to meet your needs. Moving from left to right in the tolerance edit window, you must first define if the tolerance is active or inactive. The next section is which type of tolerance, stroke, or force you are generating if you did not select and draw in the desired tolerance type already. This is followed by the direction of the ram movement you are monitoring. You can monitor the downstroke, referred here as the working stroke, the return stroke, or both. The next section defines whether you want the tolerance to be crossed or inverted. The standard is that tolerances are crossed, but you can invert tolerances which can be inserted into locations where the force distance curve is to never cross. Next, you will enter the numeric values of the tolerance. Enter the left position, followed by the right position. After your positions are entered, you will enter the forces, which can be the same for a horizontal stroke tolerance or different for an angled stroke tolerance. After each item is set, save the stroke tolerance by pressing on the Save icon, then press Close. Your tolerances are now set and visible on the Curves window. The second type of tolerance is a force tolerance, or window. To insert a force tolerance window, tap on the window icon. Using your finger, tap the lower left force distance location of the tolerance. Then tap the upper right force distance location of the tolerance. When this is done, you will see a force window created, and the tolerance edit window will automatically open, allowing you to more clearly define the parameters of your window in the same manner as described under the Stroke Tolerance Edit section of this video. After each item is set, save the force window by pressing on the Save icon, then press Close. Inside the SCHMIDT PRC700 control, you can place up to 12 different tolerances on a single force distance curve. Each type of tolerance is labeled so you can quickly identify where the tolerance is located on the curve and what type of tolerance it is. If you press a part which fails any tolerance you set, you will have to acknowledge a press error before you can press any additional parts. To acknowledge the error, you will have to either press the soft key or reset button, if you have that option. You will define either soft key or reset button for your error acknowledgement in the input screen. When you are satisfied that you have the tolerances where you want them, go back to the dataset page and save the dataset, as described in the PRC700 dataset screen video of this video series. Failing to do this could result in losing all the information that you just put into the system.